Oh my god, really? I'm so excited to meet him. I'm meeting him for the game. Yeah, I should be here any minute. I'm so excited. I hope he's cute.
Hey baby, what's going on?
Haven't we all wanted to control time, take out all the bad slow parts and look deeper into the good ones? Well, with this new product, Back to the Future, you can do all those things with one press of a button.
Hi. What's up?
Let's get this girl out of this mess.
Yeah, I can't make it. I have to go to Florida. Yeah, no, it's last minute. Sorry. Bye.
I'm alright, y'all.